house nearby and grab water, or the golf course that's right there. Saying that like he should be in there.
Oh yeah, the detective should be.
Not smart. Like I'm like you. That's what you earned.
Like that's the only precaution.
Framed, and he told her, "Shut up, or I'll kill you." And he had a leather strap, and he was going to.
Susie Lechtenberg, and what is your role?
I am the executive producer of radio.
Hey there, listeners. Since this episode was from NPR, I'm Hannah Rosen.
And I'm Elise Spiegel. This is the second episode of our...
And I think that's just because of like the woman who's
Fuck me.
I think your memory's a little foggy.
I've got a cargo ship full of halibut that's rotting thanks to this.
Of course not, Desmond. I will not miss it at all. I hold immense dislike for the South.
You guys gotta save me. I thought you were breaking up with him. What happened to ripping off the leech?
I tried! But anytime it's black and the rocks are slippery, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Come on, you witch. If I can do it, it should be no problem for one good-looking family, huh? Here, have you realized?
So what? Are you breaking up with me?
onto, and you get that $20 off your first order when you put 4 or more bottles in your cart.
Get a
I am
rag.
thrilled that just transpired. That was okay.
Even know what it is.
Yeah, I know what Club Penguin is.
Yeah.
I've just never played.
I haven't.
And it's at the bottom of Lake Minnetonka, so sorry.
Oh my god, I totally forgot.
So that was a lot of information about.
I love a good
GIF. I think she was saying GIFs. Victims of stalking often don't know that they're.
A plumber was called to the residence and discovered all of Jennifer's medications had been flushed. Like Facebook group moderators, I think. Those are the only people I've accepted
who we
since
had
we
met
started
in
the
person.
show.
Yeah.
Each like his tracks very well in a very tech savvy way. The
thing because it's like, well, he wasn't actually. No, Joe Good is the guy. Is her ex-husband or her ex-lover? The good sex ring. Yeah.
Oh God. Energizer bunny of stalking.
Yeah, exactly. Our radio host today from.
But that's also like mind your own fucking business and don't pull a gun on a thing. The ages of the killer and the victim, their relationship and the weapons used, the likelihood of a white on black Survival homicides reflect killings that otherwise would
Oh,
not have
fuck.
taken place? Or does it reflect the idea that such
Yeah,
killings now
I'm
just
fine.
fall into a new
Kitchen's
legal
just a mess.
category of
Enjoy. Do we see where this
What
is
the
going?
fuck?
Don't like it.
Yeah.
Nope, don't like it.
That's so dope.
When they moved in, the area was a brand new development. Enthusiast.
Great bambino.
Drinking increased. Their yard was regularly strewn with beer bottles and broken glass. So they would like the baton. But we'll get to why he was probably targeted specifically
Whoa.
over the
He's a
years.
small, angry man in a black suit.
All right.
Right.
It's looking good.
Not the same group of teenagers. No. And he's literally telling them to come closer. Willie later said that he was standing behind some of his friends. There were like 2 people in front of him, including Albert. Awful.
Can I do it anyway, even if you don't?
No, you may not. I'll beat you into you.
All Catholics have the same handwriting.
And training you to use your right hand instead of your left.
Also in Baltimore, also over snowballs.
Mm-hmm.
There, all day, every day.
Yes. Yes.
That's awesome.